One thief man, he died for seeker say they try for go thief for inside some microfinance house for Douala side here. We'll be talk that chapter for corner side for some time. This afternoon we go turn back for that image as well the thing happen for inside Douala here. We go take una to turn back for labor office or talk say that work people them for former work people them for shipyard industry where they call them say Chantier Naval. They don't also turn back again for go turn up say money it must to enter for their quam. Today they carry na picking them to receive the enter for we ESA tomorrow. They go start that palaver now with their woman them for that size for inside labor office. Now so too we go take una we talk this palaver explosion way pass for place where they call them say Ahala Barrier. Now for side where they call them say Yawunde 3 where the one it happen. Waiting it pass for that side, we go turn back for talk for now for this side. So even Tori where newspaper them talk, we go bring them. Big part talk for this afternoon. Editor we say waiting. Say the same food where you carry go church, now the same food you dey carry for go thief. I say the same food where you carry and for go church, now the same food where you dey carry for go thief. Queta Godwill for that side, so for Gabon. Now he say we big part talk for this afternoon. I return back small time. Good afternoon, Papa. Good afternoon, Mommy, and even other people them, uncle and auntie them. Small brother and big brother, the way they look tele just now. We glad plenty for meet up una for this side, so for Equinox Story House. We don't turn again. We don't turn back with Itori for 1 o'clock. We go start now with Itori for inside we own quarter sesep. For morning time, I be talk palava thief where it happen for Douala here. For this chapter for thief people them, we go start now for chapter 1. We take on a go for that microfinance house. It means in a place where they look out money, where the people themselves help, they feel can keep money, so when they feel can come out their money, if they want use them, we go take on a go first on that side for talk this palava. Now the microfinance house out, country people where it they so, thief people they enter, chakara their window them, now low bazaar for window, where they chakara before they jump come up for outside, as well thief people enter for inside that microfinance house. This weekend where it pass, now for thief. Now for daytime where all this arrangements will happen, now so too cashier themselves where they be the work for day. Can't see their face as well the surprise or the canary way a pass for inside the microfinance. Police people they come late, waiting people them they don't already come out. So they only can ask Natori how the thing is how it no happen. Okada people themselves call the people them. Now the Okada people them they lost last turn start for follow the thief man as well they so they be don't already thief for inside there. So I say one person they way it they so the thief in 100,000 where it just come up for take with the thing for a system. Mami says they for inside that same palava way it be the wait it own time for reach before he take money but last he too he not take money. That is people they can't carry mommy eating to come out and for hand. So now the thing that will happen for that microfinance house, now for inside Akwaye for Ngodi, now for the way this arrangement so we pass inside this weekend. As we are talk for now con the people them, this story no end for them. One of the thief man a fall inside trap for Okada people them. Yes. Now so them that where they be follow that thief man. I say they follow that man so they meet up for that side for Ferush Besenge. Even as well police with the one come, they be don't already finicky the thief man. Yes, they be don't already finicky the thief man. Now they gone then that way thief man if be use them for work where they be go operate. Now one of the thief man they catch him. So police only come for can carry na the die body. For the thief man for carry and go for mortuary. Just now we hear say number 2 person will be thief they be cash it too, but 3 other one the day where they turn run for inside the arrangement. So before police people they want come where even quarter people them Okada people there they be follow the thief man for back they be don't already finish knock the thief man so they don't die. Now so to traffic. If it turn be for road for seeker this palava way happen. I be talk for now say inside that microfinance house, some one big mommy be there. If be come with the grand picking, if you want take money, but last. They come on night tingni for his skin, run go with them. Mommy tell you what happen for inside that house.
I don't enter. Today I want enter them holy beings. Them go put me for the people where them shipping. He said, Mommy, she don't. I been come take money. I don't be get money for the keep. I been come for take up. Now only the telephone then. The telephone then take up.
Yes, they carry Mami tingni go with him. Lucky say Mami say no be don't even take his small doorway, but one take him for inside that macrofinance house. We left chapter for thief, we enter for chapter for mash. We take una again, we turn back for labor office this morning time as well. The talk just now. Now so that former work people them for shipyard company Chantier Naval as well they call them. It don't make 16 moon when Kunkuma be sign book say they so make they pay the people them. But so to them, no nothing never so happen, so they don't turn back again and they don't talk say they go so continue for remain inside the labor office so that they pay them the money way Kunkuma be don't sign. Small pikin says a come inside this palaver for strike today and as well hear this work people they try for talk say waiting. Tomorrow they go start come for that place now with their woman. Say they don't tire, plenty them marriage it don't chakara for seeker say money it never enter for inside their hand. Now so make we hear what one of the work people them they talk. We try for us them may they remind with this palaver for money. Now since which time governor the owner?
Yes, that will money elections they never pay. So from now we dey here some will begin there. If they no pay or no pay, tomorrow we'll start coming woman.
Yes, and as so they talk, now so palaver for their money for enter for their quad. They get strong talk where they descend them from Kunkuma we be don't sign book since. Say me they pay them their money. Make we hear them.
Now so we'll get to be here all day till they pay we. And if they no pay we before the proclamation of the election results. After the elections, the proclamation of the election results, we will go to presidency. We go see the president, so I'm going to pay. And we plead, we beg our president of the republic. So the order we give, I'm saying they pay money. Up to now, they never pay. We beg, Papa will beg you, pay money, send him to the schools. Then bring back our families. Our families, we start at so we'll be homeless. Papa president, we will grandpa. Never execute your order as we pay.
Yes, palaver for money for country, palaver to people that is so cry, say may they pay them their money. We go left palaver money, we take an announce so we talk another 2 way pass for inside we country. We go start now with the accident where it pass for overnight. Now for place where they call them say Entre Lycée, now for Villa site where this accident pass, where on that big motor one at the sea and so we turn up, it jam some 70-year-old palm according to Tori where they tell we say pa it be one crossroads, it no be the check it says fine, pa be the check na different thing for house or na waiting be the check for head, it no be sabi say be the crossroad, now for this way before motor one whole breaks, motor be already finish jam pass so te pa die. So na 70-year-old palm where it die so for that side so for Entre Lycée, now for side for village where this arrangement it pass overnight. Now the motor that with the container where it jam that pass so we'll try for see if phase 2 for that side. Yawende Ahala barrière now for place where they call them say Etoile under Yawende 3 Mfundi division fire we wanna see and so now the fire says we come out after we motorway carry gas. It come out for side where they call them say Bingelam. It be the gonna for Betua side. According to Toriwe enter for we here that motorway it carry gas so call the people them. Waiting happen for day now say the motor it tire it box as well the motor tire box. Now so to one time the motor to a tombosai gas is start for cash fire a joy the explode. Inside that arrangement, one person he die, and according to reports, we governor for that side, so for center, where they call him say Nas a report behind. Another one, na sans papier, entrance for sans papier. Now for the way they so this fire, it be the make so yes. Entrance for sans papier for side for non-glacé village. They try for tell we say that poor way the cash fire so. People then for that quarter they call her na Song Lulu. Yes, when I call and say Song Lulu, they go understand what they mean. It means say for that pole, more than 100 people they thief light for day. When company where the local light can fix them too they can pass, put their own cable them for thief light, they no one pay B. So they talk say company we don't can fix that palaba, e no overstay. After wey people dem say wey dey sabi say dey be thief light dem dey climb, dey finish make connection, na so to the pole e start catch fire. One time as e start catch fire, light sesep e be lost for the whole dark quarter section for Sans Papier. Na non-glace dey call am inside Douala. So na so thing wey happen as wey dey talk for we, dey call the place or dey call that pole na Songlulu. All man so far as wey fit climb, you sabi have for thief light, you climb thief your light, you comot go you. So people dem for that side as so dey talk, I no sabi whether they don come put them light, but I go turn for town, turn back, talk for na weather light, e don turn back for inside that place wey they call am say non-glace, na for villa side. We go left palava for light and chakara wey we see am for even palava fire. We enter now for this our ngondere dem wey we sabi say they be the cry, wey they be there for Kuwait. They say suffer be the key dem, they lock them for some side. Sabi say palava say they no want and say me we meet all them, the chakara them. So last one of the person na in this when I be make that video send and so for outside where plenty people they see am. Na in you understand? But if na palava for work, that one me I no fit talk. As I be so na one comot so way trouble be there, so they don't turn back. 8 they turn back for inside country this weekend. We will talk so yesterday for night. Now we 8 they turn back inside country. We go left palava for all the one them for quarter to read them. We enter small for politics. 2 foot eternal for enter for vote. If that people they work their work fine, e no go vex no matter as the result e dey. But e dey talk say if they make pacha, that one something fit pass. Then e don talk for people then too for Cameroon. Say no matter as the result for vote e go dey, make no man e no make mash. He say he be na ambassador for peace. Me I be ambassador for talk. Franklin Difafanwi he be ambassador for peace. So he don't talk say anyhow e wan be, make Cameroon they no comot for road when results e come out. If Franklin Difafanwi, Prophet Frank na ambassador for peace for Cameroon, Maurice Kamto they say they go carry the people then go court. Yes, they want them for G20 as so they call am. Now dem be turn for Bankunkuma. Say anyhow one be they go support Nkunkuma. 20 political party them. Wait till make away Maurice come to a party one carry then go for court. Number one thing, they talk say Maurice come to a party one say Cameroon for people then for outside. Big lie. Number 2 thing where they don't talk na say e dey so party for Maurice Kamto they only check na say you come on for this side, you no come on for this side. Big lie. Inside that tori too wey the people they knock out tori people them e be then a time to for talk as way police people they cash their assistant national treasurer where they call and say Terry Okala where e dey so for Sika say vex say different person vote for a name from Volley. They way they be the make vote for Genyon Kunkuma, they carry go put her from Gata. So today they no want no person for Sia. So now some of the things then that way they so Maurice come to a talk man where they call him say Olivier Bibu Nisak. He come up for talk am. But one of the strong things I say waiting, they go sue G20 people there from Gata. For Sika say they talk lie on top Cameroon Renaissance movement. Now one of the strong to read that where he come out inside that tori way e dey so Olivier Bibu Nisak e be get out with tori people them for that side so for Yaoundé. Now the tori then that for this afternoon country people them just now make we enter for wetin wey newspaper then talk this afternoon. For the Star newspaper wey dey for outside this afternoon country people them strong team for inside the Star newspaper they turn back for talk palava for votes wey happen. They talk say after vote for Genyon Kunkuma pass, say now so now war with him up. Yes, war with him up after we Maurice Kamto he talk say he don't win. Now who they dey for back Maurice Kamto after we talk that talk, they tell we say big lawyer Akeremuna dey dem. Now so to they tell we even people them like Abel Zongang he dey for day, even barrister they call na Yondo Black he too he dey dem, and we get other people them where they don't turn up trong for back Maurice Kamto for Sika after we commodities he talk. So for inside the same palava they talk say waiting the same talk a hot CPD and so what happen. We get plenty people them like the G20, even other strong people them for inside CPDM, Ngole Elvis, and even so other big name them, Jacques Famen Dongo, they dey for Bagunkunkuma. But Sabi say big man for Elekam, so for chapter for vote, he don't talk say vote, he pass fine, and na only continue council, he go talk. So for inside the same palaver, they talk for we say Minister Paul Tasson and even Ma Pauline Nalova Lyongam, they no fear no nothing. They enter for side where they be get for vote. Now for this way they all vote their own vote. Now so to the tell we chapter for amnesty or international Transparency International where then say they come out they say so now Ngomnam he never talk on top that palaver. Other to read the day for inside the Star newspaper where Bishop then say they don't come out talk. Chapter for votes where you feel for read them plus other one them for inside the Star newspaper. We enter now so for the Guardian newspaper where they too for outside. Inside the Guardian newspaper, they say United Nations it talks say if you want enter for country where sabi for disrespect human rights. Now Cameroon take number 1. But sabi say even as way United Nations talk say Cameroon no dey respect human rights, they also vote Cameroon for inside United Nations Human Rights Council. Now the thing that we Guardian Post they talk for we. Inside the Guardian Post too, they talk for we chapter for Norway Southwest. Every day na war weekend, the weekend be black for that side so where they call them say mention. Say some one man where they work with the Elekam, they kill he, house them and even market, fire he enter for day. Chapter for vote for Genyun Kunkuma, United States SF, it talks waiting. When they want come out the result, make they come out the result clear, where it means say pacha e no get for day. Cameroon Baptist Convention says na BB cry it dey for the IGS now according to the Guardian Post where they tell we say waiting. Two of the big people them for inside chapter for book they sleep straight inside 24 hours for that side so for inside Boya. Now so to the tell we say honorable them for German people them then say they cry for sicker say waiting since no nothing they never talk on top the chapter for Norwest and Southwest so plenty people them they die they go for this side. All the story then so plus other one you feel read them for the Guardian Post where it dey for outside. We enter now so for inside the Post newspaper to the try for tell we say weekend will be passed. It no be then I find one for Parney John as well they tell we say Amber Boy they enter for a house. Kill and so to the tell we say to them they shoot driver. So for inside the same palaver they try for tell we say inside chapter for vote they tell we as we waiting Camto, OC, Cabral, all them say they don't write complaint send them for Constitutional Council for say make the council result for vote where it happen for number 7 day inside this moon. Then as so to the tell we say palaver say you come out you know respect country commandier now for make country say make it no be for peace. That one na big talk where Ma Pauline Nalova Lyonga says he talk for the Post newspaper where they for outside. Other strong number the day for inside the Post where you feel for read them. Today we enter now so for the Voice newspaper too where they for outside. Inside the Voice newspaper they tell we say waiting. They say they ask na BB question. Ekema Patrick he go fit for stop Anglophone General Ndongamen for Boya. BB question. Cardinal Tumi he talks a big pom. He no go fit for do and for sika say waiting. He no get the power for talk say make that all Anglophone General Conference he pass for that side so for Boya. Inside the same story they try for ask na chapter for OC Joshua. While na waiting it really pass. Na say na OC Joshua people they left he or na say na the kind thing they will also do and way people they no like for vote for Genyun Kunkuma. The Voice newspaper he try for answer that question too. So for inside the same thing they tell we as we SDF says they don't hold election for a foot. Say waiting for sika say some strong CPD and people them they vote now with their identity cards they will vote for Genyun Kunkuma he pass for that side for Bamenda. Now so to the tell we as we plenty people that don't sleep straight for that side so for Norwest and Southwest as we it is so this chapter for Norwest and Southwest it is also continue for happen. You feel read other to read them for inside the Voice newspaper where they too for outside. Today, Eden newspaper, he get his own story where they talk for him. Waiting there for inside the Eden newspaper. They tell we say that palaver war of fake people then where they can't look vote. They say so now, Ngomnam, him up, he don't lock, they don't turn na mumu, they no one they talk again on top that same palaver. After we all people then for country, they don't cry say a big pacha where he pass for bring people them the way they no even get right for she done on top the arraignment. Inside the same story for the Evening newspaper, you go read other one where they talk say waiting for the first time inside history for Francophonie. Some woman for Rwanda now don't take the big chair, and now so too Emmanuel Macron he talk congratulate for Kagame when a president for Rwanda. Inside the same story for Evening newspaper, you go read them as well. Pope Francis says he don't make some one of the Pope them big saint for that side. So for inside chapter for church. Other to read the day for Evening newspaper where you fit for read them. We look what way breaking news says he get them for today. Con the people them breaking news he get his own talk for tell for him. Waiting there for inside breaking news way there for outside. Then to the enter for talk this chapter for vote for Genyun Kunkuma. Breaking news he try for tell we say now so after we the vote na palava for war talk and other kinds small thing them war for talk where it happen just now after we he dey so vote he pass. Inside the same story, they try for asking a question, waiting it happen with the SDF as well they talk say waiting, you know fit chop your cake or you know fit chop your cake, they check say you go so get them. Inside the same story, you feel read other small one the way concern with country and as well country, Ediwaka. We enter now so for the last one we'll see for outside. Now the Median newspaper where it did to for outside today. Median newspaper it talk to for turn this talk palava for vote for Genyun Kunkuma. They tell we say waiting. Palava for enter for A to D. Kunkuma, Kamto, Cabral, all them just now the dinner for the last road for Sikase small time, constitutional council people them they go talk wait where they get for talk. Chapter for vote 2 now so the Median they tell we say to them after we G20 he attack Maurice Kamto a party now so to Maurice Kamto he turn back for talk say waiting they go sue them for court. Palava this motorway chakara for that side so for Ahala Bariem now so to the tell we confusion it be enter for Yawende after with this moto a chakara for that side. Palava 2 for votes you feel read them for inside the Media newspaper where they for outside where they tell we say waiting people the way they support SDF party for outside just now they talk say waiting make OC he resign make he go take by force pension after war vote way pass for this vote for Genyun Kunkuma. Now so to the tell we life it don't turn back for that side so for Kumba after we amber people themselves they make Kumba people them they fear. You feel it other to read them for the Media newspaper where it day for outside today. Now the one then that way newspaper then talk we get case them for people then too they don't lose. We go start with this speaking where they call and say Idrisu. This speaking he gets 11 years and they talk say Pikin na mumu. It means say no the talk. Pikin the Shidon for Ngodi Bakoko for before chief a house and they talk say this Pikin it disappear for number 7 day for inside this moon around that kind of 9 o'clock for morning time. So they beg family they beg any person where he see this photo then he sabi that Pikin he don't see him for any side make he call the tingly number they call the person Dr. Akam 699-646-241-67 592-763 or he bring them for 646-240-590-592-763 ou se rapprocher de la gendarmerie de Bakoko ou encore à la chefferie de Ngodi Bakoko. We get another case too for person we don't lost. We will show at this morning time. This one in name they call him na Tuku Queen. I hope say photo don't come yes. Now they picking in that Tuku Queen. Now they name that and they talk say this picking he don't lost since for Saturday number 13 day for inside this moon around that kind of 9 o'clock. According to which way ma Emilia Tabi Zone he send him for we he talk for we say time with this picking he come up for house for a side for go for his own side no person no sabi so today. The Pikin he be wear some clothes some clothes in a wrapper he get red color and a skirt he be then blue. So this Pikin they say he get 17 years and he talk fine for Queen Elisa country talk and they talk say the Pikin says it dey fine according to which way they talk for we and they talk say he the Shidon no place where the Shidon in over far from Total Bonateki. So ma Emilia he dey beg any person way he don't see this this a pikin, this a niece, say make a call the Trinity number them 677-628-724, 678-849-99 or a bring am for Equinox Story House. Madame Emilia Tabi Dionem annonce la disparition de sa nièce, la nommée Tuku Queen, depuis le samedi 13 octobre 2018 aux environs de 9h. Elle est partie de la maison pour une destination inconnue. Elle était vêtue d'une haut pain rouge et d'une jupe bleu nuit. Elle est âgée de 17 ans. Madame Emilia prie toute personne qui retrouvait sa nièce de bien vouloir la contacter au numéro suivant 677-628-724 ou 678-849-990 ou de la conduit à Equinox contre une très forte récompense. Now the story then that for this afternoon country people them, we thank una plenty, sabi say we dey, we go so tonton, tori we enter, we na go see am. For some time, once a big thank you for Zephyrin Gondi. He be there for one side, I be the push sound and make a man see for outside him. Malisa said, he be the make a man, you look me for Facebook and after you feel look into for YouTube. And Amos Fungo, now be there for back machine, where be the put all image this afternoon. For people there for outside country, 12:30, when I feel so look am or una two na fit join we for inside YouTube for see as your country they happen. If you don't have table, chop fine. Una hold am tight for outside.